What's up, guys? Eek with East Coast Ken, and today we're working on the Del Sol, getting the exhaust and the headers installed, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright guys, so we've got the new exhaust. It's a Yonaka. I'll be honest, the first time I've ever had one, so I don't know much about them, but it's a heck of a lot better than what we had. So let's get this situated and installed. We can just take a playbook out of that garage, right? And just only use one hanger, maybe? Or should we do two? All right. I guess we'll take the extra 2 or 3 minutes and put the second hanger on it. Just a little bit more. There we go. Now they make a special tool for these little rubber hangers, but I'm a glutton for punishment and I didn't buy one. Make sure my parents' dog's still outside. Alright. So boom. Alright, the exhaust is on. Ooh, girl, that's gonna look good. Alright, now next, we've got this piece. Alright, so we got the new gaskets with hardware. Having the right tools to do the job makes a world of difference, guys. Now this is a transmission hoist jack. But it's universal. We're using it for the exhaust. All right. So we're going to set that on, raise it up. So it makes it easier to install. So even with the extra tools, one person job, hey, I had to use my head a little bit to get this up there. All right, guys, so we're just going to get stuff in place and then we'll tighten everything down once we know we got a good proper fit. All right, guys, so we got, you can bear this, well, you can't even see it, but we got the muffler on, and then we got this kind of S/L pipe type deal on. The next piece to go on is this bad mamma jamma right here. So we'll get this connected on and yeah, go from there. But I'm gonna keep it set down on the bubble wrap so it doesn't get scratched while I adjust. So if you guys hear me yelling knucklehead, it's my parents' dog. That's his actual name. He is a pit bull that my dad rescued from Northern Virginia. Ooh, so satisfying. One more time for the camera. Whew. Satisfying, y'all. Let me get you guys just adjusted a little bit more. There we go. All right. So you can tell that this and the pipe's hanging off to the side, or you could have it this way and it would be on this side. But the way the rubber mounts are, we're gonna run this way with it. And sorry about the noise. Let me grab another gasket and some hardware. And as we tighten this up, it will straighten it out into alignment the way it's supposed to be. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Whew. All right. So you got the rubber grommet there. This one right here. Once I get this put into the rubber hanger, it'll actually help straighten everything out the way it should be. But, woo, Look at that, y'all. Oh, let me go this way. Woo. Yonaka Motorsports. I've never had one of these exhausts before, like I said. So I'm looking forward to hearing it on the car. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Here's the only downfall, guys. Right here is where the catalytic converter, as they say in the South. Catalytic. Cadillac. It's like an Escalade, okay? It goes right here. Unfortunately, we've got to build that, so give me 1 second and I'll bring y'all back and show you what we're gonna do. Alright guys, so I've got this. It's a tailpipe extension. It's 2 1/4 inch diameter by 24 inches. And what I'm gonna do, Onslow County no longer has emissions, so therefore the catalytic converter is coming out because it's about $350 to replace it. This was $12 at O'Reilly's, and I took the old exhaust system, and there's the 2-bolt clamp, and then up in the front there's the 3-bolt clamp style. And what I did is I cut those off from some of the other piping from the original stock exhaust, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld it onto this, make my own test pipe, just, you know, for testing purposes only. And then I'll put one of the catalytic converters on because, I don't know, OSHA or state inspect, whatever. We'll roll with it. Don't worry about it, guys. So let's get up towards the front and get the headers on. Alright guys, so like true fashion of these idiots that worked on this last, sorry about the lighting, going old school with the drop light. These are on ridiculously tight. So I sprayed them with some PB Blaster, and we're going to let them soak overnight because I cannot afford to break one of those studs that holds that header on. So we're going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. We did get the exhaust on for most of it. We'll get that test pipe fitted and welded together here in the next day or so. And then tomorrow afternoon, we'll work on these headers. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day.